Hi friends, go to search bar and type as SQL management. It will show SQL management server. Click on that. It shows one pop-up like this, SQL Server Management Studio. It will open the SQL Server. Just click on that. We have options like connect, cancel, help option. Just click on that connect. The SQL Server is connected. Click on the new query. Click on the database. We are creating the database without coding. Just click on the new database. It will show another window like this. Give the name of database. I'm entering as a Rajesh Techzon Telugu. Click as OK. Click on refresh. It will be loading to the new database. Whether it will be created or not, we are checking. Rajesh Techzon Telugu. It already created in the database. Just delete on the database. We are creating the new another database with coding. Just type on the new query, create space database. Give the database name, whatever you want, your wish. I'm giving as a Telugu, Techzon Telugu. Without spaces, I'm giving the Telugu, Techzon and Telugu. Just select the whole line. Click on execute. It shows like pop-up like this. Command successfully. It's already executed. Whether it will be executed or not, we'll check in the database. Go to database and refresh. Check it that Telugu Techzon Telugu. It is already created. The two types of creating the database, we already know that. We are using the alter option. Alter option is mainly used for the renaming the database. Alter space database. Give the existing database name. Modify space namespace. Give your new name, whatever you want. I'm giving that Techzon Telugu. Rajesh Techzon I typed. Selecting the whole line and click on the executive. Shows one error. This error happened. If you know the error, just type on the comment box. Let me know. Again got the error, same. Something is forwarded to add that query. We are writing query in the between the single quotation. Execute the same. Again got the same error. What we are missing? The main reason error has happened because of we are not giving the is equal to. Just click on the execute. Command is successfully. Don't forget friends, when you are modifying the name, just click on the database alter it's happen or not. We'll check it in the going to the database. Database name was changed as a Telugu Techzon. Command is successfully completed. We just alter the name using the option of a store procedure. Store procedure mainly we need to execute, or we just type as execute. Execute space. SP full form is a store procedure, and select the name as SP / renaming DB. DB means database. Select the DB. Rename DB, right? You got selected. Space. The existing name. You need to type in the single quotation. Here we have existing name is Rajesh Techzon. Comma. Again single quotation. Give the name whatever you want. I am giving the name as Rajesh Techzon 2. Nothing is changing, I am just adding the one numerical number. Click on execute. Again it's showing an error. If you know the error, just mention in the comment box. Let me know. Here we have a mistake on the store procedure selection. Just look into the screen. You can observe that. While we are selecting the store procedure, selecting as SP I typed, and I selected the SP rename database. So it selected both. So that's the reason there is a error showing. So we are removing that and executed the same. Command is successfully. So go to the database. Refresh on the database. Check whether it's Rajesh Techzon 2 is changed or not. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.